Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today, we're going with a quick and basic tutorial on how to force all websites in Google Chrome to stay in dark mode, even sites that don't support dark mode or don't have an option to enable night mode. Before we start the video, I really wanted to ask for your help by subscribing to my channel and leaving a like on this video. This is very important to me and motivates me to bring more videos like this for you. Let's get started. The first step you have to take is to open your browser, in this case, Google Chrome. We are going to use Google Chrome specifically to force all websites to be in dark mode. So, I'm going to open my Google Chrome here. My Google Chrome is already in dark mode, but I use a gray theme, but I'm going to open YouTube so you can see that my Google Chrome is actually in dark. We can see that when opening YouTube, the page is all black and nocturnal, but not all sites support night mode. For example, YouTube, other sites. No, let's open a new tab and search for Wikipedia. Let's click on this first one just to see something. You can see that the Wikipedia website, it doesn't support dark mode. It doesn't have an option to put night mode on the Wikipedia website. So now I'm going to teach you how all websites to work in night mode. The first thing we have to do is search for the name Chrome Web Store. Click on this first link that will appear, written Chrome Web Store. This is the Google Chrome extensions and theme store. But don't worry, these tool features are completely free. After opening the website, you will look for an extension called Dark Reader. Then click on the search icon and type Dark Reader. This is the extension that you are going to install. The process is very easy. First you will open the extension and click on the blue install button. The installation is very quick. It doesn't take even a minute. You will wait for this extension to be installed on Google Chrome. It is super easy to use. Once installed, you can enable the functions of this extension. See that? My extension was just installed in a few seconds. When you finish installing the extension, this website will automatically appear where they explain how the extension works. But we already know what this is about. So it will force all sites that don't have a dark mode option to stay in dark mode. Click on that puzzle icon, and your extensions will appear there. Then you will see the Dark Reader there. Just click on it, and it will activate automatically. See that? When I clicked on it, a panel with several different settings appeared, and it is already on. You no longer need to touch anything. Now all websites you enter, even those that don't support dark mode, will stay in dark mode. Let's test with the Wikipedia website again. It doesn't support dark mode, so let's see if the extension worked. We can see that the Wikipedia website went black, which was something it didn't do at all. When you want to deactivate the extension, you can go to the puzzle icon and delete the extension whenever you want. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. See you later, bye.